Welcome to the Strong Mama Moves YouTube channel. It's been a hot minute since I've come on and filmed like this, but I'm coming on to just give a little bit of an overview of what to expect because the videos are going to start coming out every week now. Originally, Strong Mama Moves started out as classes that I set up after having my little girl 19 months ago, Ruby, and I returned to the gym after a couple of months and I felt self-conscious, nervous, just out of place and overwhelmed. And I kind of thought, well, how are other mums going to feel returning to exercise who haven't worked in the industry for 10 years, who don't find the gym their second home? So I set up the classes so I could provide a space where mums could take their babies and not worry if they're going to cry or need feeding, or if you just didn't feel it that day but wanted to be around other mums and just interact and things like that, or not. It was just nice to have that space, especially since I myself suffered with postnatal depression quite badly after having a solo pregnancy into single motherhood. I've also lost both my parents, so things have been tough. I miss them a little bit harder. People that I'd expected to be there to support me weren't, so I ended up gaining a chosen family. It was quite a tough year, my first year, but I had lots of amazing support and different things helped me get through those times. And a big part of that was good nutrition and fitness. Now, when I say good nutrition, I'm not saying, I ate perfectly all the time. No, I did what worked for me at the time and wasn't really hard on myself. And I think the pressure to snap back is making things a little bit over there, and sometimes we can rush back to exercise that isn't right for us or do too extreme things with our eating just to kind of try and gain a sense of feeling good in ourselves. But there is a better way and an easier way. So this is what I want to do here. I want to put up tips, so it can be surrounding fitness, surrounding nutrition, or just about feeling good. It could be about sleep or music that helps you lift your mood and work out or not. Or the complete opposite. If you're struggling to have a cry and need a playlist to have a cry, we'll look at that as well, because I've got one of them too. I want it to be a hub of all these different things that just make us us, and ideas and things that have helped me and helped other mums to just pick up our moods or just kind of thrash it out a little bit with a workout or whatever. So there's going to be videos with tips. They'll only be, hopefully, 3 to 5 minutes long, just so it's nice and quick to digest and use, excuse the pun. I'm going to be doing workout videos as well, so it could be stretching videos that help you loosen up after maybe not sleeping very well and you feel a little bit tight and your shoulders are somewhere up here. We want to bring everything back down and feel good. Workouts with your little ones, workouts you can do at home with buggies. We'll look at all of that. We're going to look at how to eat well. We're not going to look at how to diet as fast as you can and feel miserable. We want to look at eating to enjoy life, to strengthen our immunity and our energy and things like that are really important when we are busy parents. I put on 23 kilos in my pregnancy. I may have put on even more because I continued to comfort eat after I had my little girl. If you want to follow my story, it is on my podcast. It's on my website, so StrongMamaMoves.com. But basically things were tough. And because of my position in the industry, I was expected to snap back. But I say that most of the expectation came from me. So I had to slow my tush down and live in the moment a little bit more, really soak up my little girl and think, right, I want to feel good, but I don't want to be punishing myself, because this learning everything about this new little human, about myself, how my body's reacting and everything, is enough without adding another thing to the to-do list and adding more pressure. I did lose that weight, but I took it so slow and steady. And my main focus was eating for the energy to keep my milk as good as it could be, despite having about 2 hours sleep a night, most nights for 7 months, linked in with my postnatal depression. So there's going to be tips on sleeping and coping with not sleeping as well. And just making sure that I could soak up as much of my little bundle of amazingness as I could and feel as good as I could without having the best sleep or the best time of things. So I think that's enough of that. So that's what's going to come through on our Strong Mama Moves YouTube channel. So if you subscribe, you'll get a notification anytime a workout comes out, a tip comes out, or the live Q&A sessions that we're going to be doing too. So I'll be asking questions on what you want to hear about or want to ask questions about, and get your questions and answer them on a live. So any questions that you do have, if you pop them either on a comment on the YouTube channel, or you can send me a message to amanda@strongmamamoves.com, or drop me a message on Instagram if you like. But I hope you've enjoyed the introduction. Have a great day.